What is something that your parents did that you will never forgive them for? They pulled the life support of my brother after suffering from severe chest trauma, leaving him with a lung injury. The doctors made it clear he will survive, but it will be costly for my father to keep him alive. My brother was 12 and didn't have any written consent, and he lied that my mother was an absent parent. So basically my father had the power of consent. My mother, who was an overseas worker, was on her way to see my brother. When my dad signed a consent form to remove my brother's life support, within a day we lost him. I remember the sound of grief. Her scream in the hospital hall when she found out my dad pulled the life support. She was heartbroken, crying on the floor, and I had to hold her. We were both crying because my mother raised money from my family abroad to keep my brother. But my evil dad excused that he was never a good son, so he doesn't deserve another day wasting his money. I never spoke to my dad ever again, and my mom decided to take me with her to be away from my dad because she said she didn't want to lose me too.